the sky. The sky seen from Earth. Earth seen from the sky. Drones are ushering in a new era enabling missions in many fields of activity that are both more efficient and less CO2 consuming. But these drones still have to operate safely and in compliance with regulations, including in inhabited areas or over long distances. At Thales, our expertise in aviation safety, avionics, and air traffic management is opening the skies to this revolution with safe and secure solutions for even the most complex drone operations. Flying at low altitude and sharing airspace with civil air traffic is now possible with the UAS 100 system. Developed in partnership with SORA Aviation, the drone aircraft has been designed to meet the highest level of safety requirements. To monitor, to detect, and to alert are the three missions of this drone, combining Thales' capacity for innovation and expertise. Capable of operating within a radius of 100 to 300 kilometers, the UAS 100 can safely fly over inhabited areas and carry out a wide variety of civilian and government missions. Surveillance of infrastructure or border areas, detection of victims or threats, fire alerts. It can take off and land from tight and unprepared spaces, with a total modular payload of up to 10 kilograms to carry out its missions. The triplex architecture of its avionics and its hybrid engine provide it with reliability, stealth, and autonomy with minimal environmental impact. The ground control station and the scale flight digital platform, the nerve center of UAS 100 operations, perform four major functions: preparing the mission, ensuring computing a safe and flyable trajectory as well as automated fallback routes, controlling onboard sensors in real time, supervising the entire mission. At the core of the UAS 100, Scale Flight's state-of-the-art equipment ensures an autonomous and safe flight, with navigation protected from interference and jamming, and with permanent connectivity for cyber-secure ground-to-board exchanges. Designed with the support of the French Civil Aviation Authority, DGAC, Scale Flight equipment is also available for faster certification of all types of drone and to guarantee the security of their performance. At the service of mission efficiency, Thales UAS 100 is a complete, safe, and secure ecosystem. Every day, we're using our expertise in service of innovation, and in so doing, opening the way for autonomous flights in ever safer skies. Thales, together, let's build our future on trust.